1071 Quilliams, a virtual tour. The exterior's all been painted. You have a nice asphalted, re-asphalted driveway here. Double car garage. And it's pretty big. I mean, it's got a deck on the back, deck on the front. Deck. You also have a deck, an exterior one that's covered right there, but all the back has been painted. The whole house has been repainted. Aluminum siding is on there too. I'll show you the other cement deck that we have here on the front, right here. Let's go inside. We've been through the whole home. It's got all new paint, flooring. It's got vinyl windows, LTV Flooring. So it has a 10-year guarantee with it. Very good flooring, all new interior paint. Here. Front door there. We do have a window here. This does have steam heat in it. And then here, the living room goes right into the kitchen. The refrigerator stays. All real nice in here. You can see. Nice part. You have an exit out the back there, and here's the dining room. Also painted, vinyl windows. Really nice area. LTV through the whole place. You don't ever have to worry about spilling or anything. Cleans right up. So let's go upstairs here. Here's the bathroom. And you've got the sub tile, which I really like. This is really super cool. The tile around here. Here's your tub, entryway. Everything's been tiled. Then you have this area right here where you can kind of kick back if you want. You don't want to go outside. You can put this good place to just kind of chill. Here's the other bedroom here. So this one has also got the new LTV paint, everything in here. So it's like brand new in here. The bedrooms are great size too. So see here, so this one's, they're all the same as far as the paint, flooring. We painted the doors. Here's a third bedroom. So again, this is a really nice property. We even did the stairs on the LTV. Let's go in the basement. It has a big basement also. So let's go down here. Again, been dry locked down here. It's got a newer panel in there, and as you can see, there's your dryer, washer dryer area, new plumbing there. It's all been dry locked. There's your steam heater right there, and your water heater. So this is a nice new home. It's been rehabbed, newer stuff, and basically you just need to move in. This is Brett. Thanks.